So today we are seeing how the tello app operates with the Python programming language, and I will be viewing it from my laptop using the Python code. So let's see. And I'm going to connect the tello on the tablet and connect the tello from my laptop. Right, the tablet is connected. Now connecting the laptop. The laptop takes some time to connect. Right. And so let's execute. Let's see what happens with the tello FPV app. Right. So, yep, it disconnected from the app, and it is connected solely to my Python code. Can I take off with this app? No. Can I take off with the app? Nope, so I can't get any signal on this app. So that's what happens when you attempt to connect to your tello drone using both the app, particularly the tello FPV app, and you attempt to connect the Python simultaneously.